Good morning, everybody. Just went on coupons.com and they added some new ones. I'm not sure if they're good ones or not, but we had some Purpose. I'm not sure what Purpose is, and then they got the shower to shower. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that product, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. And then if you guys go down a little bit, they added some, I think this is a new coupon, Ocean Nasal Spray. But if you go down just a little bit more, they have, sorry, I'm losing my voice. They have $5 off of Tidy Cats, $5 off of the 52-pound bag of dog chow, $5 off Purina One, $5 off that, $5 off Beneficial, and $5 off the cat chow. So they just added those coupons. Those are new. I just wanted to share with you guys in case you guys need some dog food. I think $5 coupons. They are for the larger bags, but hey, you can print them off and see if we can find any good deals. But I just wanted to share with you guys that, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.